Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Lyft. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the Lyft application to open it up. And once you open up the application, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your phone number and your security code in order to log in. After logging in, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings. Within the settings page, you will see your email address. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can tap on the email box in order to change it. Just type in your desired new email address within the email box and tap on the tick mark at the top right corner, and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your new email address. Just enter this new verification code within the next screen and then click on the change email button. And now your email address will be changed on your Lyft account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Lyft. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.